Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family, welcome back to Code Dev Academy. In this channel we bring you tips, tutorials and insights in web development. So in today's video I'm going to be showing how you can link your HTML to your CSS file. So we need our CSS file to style our images, to give sizes to our images, to give our font sizes and also to give our text colors. So we need our HTML seriously. So but that won't be possible if we haven't linked our HTML to our CSS. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can link your HTML to your CSS. So first thing, as you can see, as we have our HTML file here and we have our CSS file also here. So after that, what I'm going to do is, the first thing you need is to come down here for you to link your HTML to your CSS. So it has to be in this your head tag. This our head tag. As you see it opened here, it's closed here also. So our link has to be, to link our HTML to our CSS, it has to be in our head tag. So as you can see, I came below this my title here, and I'm going to write link. When I write link, you see I can just press tab. When I press tab, it generated this for me. But for new users, I will want you to type it. So I'm going to write link here. I'm going to write link, close the tag. So inside this link, you're going to give space here. I write rel like this, and put equal sign. So within this quotation, you're going to write style sheet. This is the first thing you're going to write. So you're going to come out of this code. You're also going to come here and write href and press tab. It's going to give you this code. So within this code, you're going to write your CSS file. Just click on CSS and it's going to give you your CSS file. As you can see, it has appeared here. So just click on tab, and that's it. Our HTML is linked to our CSS file. The first thing is you have to put your link. That's the first thing. Then your rel. Then you're going to write style sheet here. Then the second thing is your href. Then you put your CSS file. For new users, I advise you to type it. But if you're already into it and you know how it works, you can just write your link like this and just press tab, and it has generated everything. So what you're just going to do is in this your href, you're going to write your CSS file, which you're just going to write CSS and just click on tab. Your HTML is linked to your CSS. That's all. But to show you how it works, in my body here I have a header. So when I save and I go to my browser like this, you see my file here, it's saying link to your files. So but I want to go to my CSS here and style it so that you guys can see that really it has linked. So let me go to my CSS here. I'm going to target my body here, and I'm going to write here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a background color of blue. That's the first thing. And I'm going to make a color of my text to be let's say red, just for an example for you guys to see. So when I save it and I go to my browser, background color is blue and my text color is red. This is to show you that our HTML now is linked to our CSS file. But when I come back to my HTML like this, when I just click on Ctrl L and I cut everything, I want to bring it back. I just want to show you without this if it's going to work or not. So I will just click on Ctrl X to cut it. When I save and I go back to my browser, that means it's not working. Our background color is gone, our text color is gone. That's to show you that to style your HTML, you need to link your HTML to your CSS. Whatever you're going to do in your CSS file, the moment it is not linked, it's not going to work. Nothing will work. So you have to link your HTML to your CSS. It is very, 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 very important. So when I just click on Ctrl V, our link is back. So I'll just save and I'll go back to my browser like this, and our background color and text color are here. So that's actually it. So with that, my name is Bin Mustafa, and I hope you have gotten something out of this video, and I hope now you know how to link your HTML to your CSS. So if you're new to Code Dev Academy, please kindly subscribe to the channel. Help my channel to grow by please subscribing to the channel and turning on the notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you're going to be first to view. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much. We shall meet in the next video.